A chassis should always have a suspension that is both comfortable and sporty. Adaptive Chassis Control DCC ensures appropriate damping within the limits of the system. Within milliseconds, DCC automatically selects the right damping for each wheel and matching the driving situation and road surface. The driving profiles from Volkswagen offer the right mode for each driver. Normal, comfort or sport, and now even more individually adjustable. Fine intermediate levels achieve customized suspension comfort over an extended adjustment range. The further developed comfort mode dampens uneven road surfaces even more precisely for even more comfortable handling. Completely different is the extended sport mode. Here the damping is now even stiffer, the connection to the road is more direct, and the driving feeling is even sportier.